Hi, in this video we are going to see work with cartridges in HP Office Z 5200 all-in-one series printer. So as you can see on the screen, there are various topics will be covered in this video. So let's see one by one. So first topic of this video is information on cartridges and the print head. The following tips help maintain HP cartridges and ensure consistent print quality. So you can read the screen contents. These are the tips to help maintain HP cartridges, right? So let's move to the next screen and the next topic, which is check the estimated ink level. You can check the estimated ink levels from the printer software, printer control panel, or HP Smart. To check the estimated ink levels from the printer control panel, from home button touch this icon, which is ink icon, to check the estimated ink levels. And to check the ink level from the printer software in Windows device, first open the HP printer software. Second, in the printer software, click estimated levels. And to check the ink levels from the HP printer software, operating system 10 and Mac OS, open HP utility. And important note, HP utility is located in the HP folder in the applications folder. Second step, select the HP Office Z 5200 series from the list of devices at the left of the window. And third, click supplies status and the estimated ink level appear. And last step, click all settings to return to the information and support pane. Now let's move to the next topic of this video, which is replace the cartridges. So here some important note is given on the screen. You can read for more information. And to replace the cartridge, you need to follow these steps. First, check that power is on. Second, remove the old cartridge and open the access door. Like this image, as arrow is indicating the same. And second step will be open the latch of the cartridge slot and then remove the cartridge from the slot, as you can see in the image, and arrow is indicating the same. You need to remove this cartridge. Third step, insert a new cartridge as it is indicated here. Open the cartridge from package first and then remove the plastic tape using the pull tab, as you can see. And in fourth step, close the cartridge access door after inserting new cartridge in the slot. Now let's see about the next topic of this video, which is order cartridges. To order cartridges, you need to visit the website which is available here, www.hp.com. But the service is available in selected countries, regions only. So for more information, you can also visit on this website, which is www.hp.com/buy/supplies. For more information about order cartridges, you can refer the screen as for more information, as you can see here. And use single cartridge mode. Use the single cartridge mode to operate the HP Office Z 5200 series with only one ink cartridge. For more information, you can see on the screen as here. Store printing supplies. So cartridges can be left in the printer for extended period of time, but however you need to make sure that optimal cartridge health. Be sure to turn off the printer properly when the printer is not in use, right? And last topic of this video, which is cartridge warranty information. So for warranty information about cartridges, you can refer the screen for more information. And that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you want any help related to your printer, just click on the support link which is available in this video description.